welcome back. Today is Sunday. It is currently October 30th, so happy Hallows Eve to everybody out there. I got 3 orders done already so far. I'm currently sitting at a 69% on my acceptance rate, and I'm aiming for 70% for right now, and then see how high we can get it heading into the end of the month, into Halloween. So it's been going good for me so far, but I have to say that ever since I got large order program, it's definitely made a big difference on how my hell week is, because my hell week has not been that bad at all, honestly. I've gotten some trash orders, but the thing is, I'm not going for 100%. So if I see some no-tip orders or very far delivery distance orders, I'm not taking them. And since I got in the large order program, all the orders that I'm seeing on average are higher paying, higher item count, and it's just been working out for me, still for me, like it was in the past where I had to really struggle to get back up to that 70% acceptance rate. Because now it's like cake, man. I literally been making money while going through hell week. So I just got done watching Sin City Delivery's video, and he was, you know, kind of saying how he don't really like the diamond zones. And my zone has been a diamond zone for at least the last 2 months. And when it first came to my area, that was before I went for Top Dasher. I was still an extreme cherry picker, but I have to say, man, when I wasn't a Top Dasher and I was doing the diamond program hit my area, it was really bad. I mean, once you below that 50%, you see nothing but trash. And on top of it, if you're not in the large order program, that just makes it even more worse for you, because at least if you were in the LOP program, you got a chance of seeing some Cindy's, some Loppers, whatever. But if you're not in the large order program and you're not a Top Dasher, and on top of that you have diamond program in your zone, I'm sorry to tell you, but it's gonna be really hard for you to make some money. Because from my experience, when you under 50%, don't have large order, and you not Top Dasher, you get nothing but the worst orders in your market. So it's, you know, this diamond program been rolling out, and a lot of people have been saying it's Top Dasher 2.0, and it is, because what it's doing is it's allowing the algorithm to prioritize orders that they consider are better than, because you know they prioritize all their orders from the $1,000 orders down to the $10 order. And basically what he's saying is that it's a lot of orders out there that need to be given to people who are better for that job. And that's in the middle of the month. We're not talking about Top Dasher Hell Week or anything like that. We're talking about in the middle of the month, they want to prioritize certain orders and make sure they get delivered. So what that's doing is that's making less orders available for Top Dashers that are used to just having that priority without having the diamond in their zone. So with the diamond coming into their zone, now they starting to understand that, oh, I have to actually keep my acceptance rate up in order to keep that priority that I'm so used to having while being a Top Dasher. Now see, the beauty of it for me is, this is my first month being a Top Dasher ever. I never saw the good side of being Top Dasher before Diamond came to my zone. So for me, this is the best it's ever been, because I was cherry picking before Diamond came to my zone. And then when Diamond came to my zone, it made my experience as a cherry picker worse. I made less money, I saw more trash, and it was basically, Diamond Zone makes it harder for you to be a cherry picker. So if you want to be able to cherry pick and still make that money that you used to make, you now have to be Top Dasher, because you're not going to be able to get on the schedule. If you do get on the schedule and you do be able to dash now, the orders that you see being under a 50% acceptance rate are going to be so bad that you're not going to make not near what you used to making as a cherry picker. So they either forcing you to go and get your acceptance rate over 50% in the middle of the month, or they gonna force you to go for Top Dasher at the end of the month so that you can dash it anytime, because that's gonna be your only option for making money how you used to make it. Because once Diamond come to your zone, I'm telling you, it's gonna shake some things up. Now for my people out there who watch my channel and you've been following along, if Diamond Zone hasn't made it to your area yet, heed my words. Go ahead, go for Top Dasher. Now if you got other apps you can use, lean on that. But if you depend on Doordash to make most of your money every week, every month, go ahead, go for Top Dasher. Try that out. I'm telling you right now, I've been making more money as Top Dasher, and when I got Top Dasher, that allowed me to get in the large order program because I called non-stop over the course of the last 5 to 10 weeks to get into this large order program. But I'm here to tell you, the moment I buckled down and sucked it up, accepted a whole bunch of trash orders that first Top Dasher Hell Week, once I went through that pain, and you know, hey, it wasn't fun, but guess what? I made it to the other side, and now I got the large order program. And regardless if I keep my Top Dasher status moving forward, I got large order program regardless, so I'm good now. So I'm gonna be able to see those high, large catering orders, regardless if my acceptance rate is above 50%. Now, the other orders that don't qualify as catering bag orders or large orders, I may not have priority on those orders if I don't maintain a certain acceptance rate. But the orders that got the catering bag requirement, I'm still gonna have priority on those orders. But here's the trick. If I don't have my Top Dasher status and it's another Top Dasher, it's another Dasher out there who got a better acceptance rate than me, or they Top Dasher, they automatically gonna have priority over that catering order than I am. So for me, I got large order program, I got Diamond Zone in my area. I only got one zone in my city. My city is just one zone. I don't have multiple zones. So if I want to be able to dash now, have the most priority on the best paying large orders, I have to have the highest acceptance rate and I have to be Top Dasher. So long story short, I'm gonna be making sure that I get my Top Dasher status. I'm at a 68% right now. I'm 2 orders away from being at 70, and my goal is to be at 80 or 90 before Halloween's over with. That way I can have the most priority on them large orders. Because this is what you gotta realize. I'm not worried about them orders that's $10, $11, $12. Yes, I love those orders and I want those orders. You understand what I'm saying? But those ain't the orders I'm worried about no more. See, because what you gotta realize is I'm in a whole different category now. You know, if I was to pull up Richard, the pyramid, I'm at the top. I'm at the top of the upper echelon, okay? Because I'm in the large order program. So that means I don't have to worry about making $20 per hour by doing 2-3 orders per hour. All I need is one large order, one Cindy, one banger. And that's gonna be my $20 for an hour. Now, if I do a Uber, a Grubhub, you know, a small DoorDash order in that hour, it don't matter because I need a Cindy. I need a Lopper. I need to get that one catering order per hour to hit my goal, and I'm good. My standards have changed now because once I hit my Top Dasher and I go back to cherry picking, I'm gonna cherry pick for catering orders all day long. It's a lot of money out here in my market. I don't have to take trash orders no more. Until I go for Top Dasher and I'm trying to get that until Hell Week and I have to get my ratings up for Top Dasher, I don't have to take trash all month. I'm about to cherry pick catering orders all month long, and I will do nice paying orders on Uber and Grubhub. And if something comes through on my DoorDash app, I'm only gonna turn it on during the busy lunch and the busy dinner times when I know those catering orders coming through. And look, if it ain't that, I ain't doing it. Like right now, look, next order, high priority. That's a diamond order. That ain't no good order, but it's 2 to 1 miles money ratio. It's early, I'm gonna take it.